8 Most Unusual Eggs. The egg is usually white in color, and there is nothing strange about it. But in this video of today, I'm gonna tell you about some such eggs in the world which you may have never heard of before. Number 1. Tinamou. You are probably seeing this bird for the first time. Most people of the world do not know about this bird because the life of this bird is very secretive. Only 47 of this bird species are alive in the world. This bird's egg is very peculiar. Their eggs are very bright and colorful. The female bird lays the eggs and leaves. Then the male bird takes care of these eggs. Their eggs are of different colors, but they are similar in size to the hen's eggs. Number 2. Gymnophiona. This creature looks like a worm. It can usually be up to 10 centimeters long, but some of their species are quite long. It looks like a snake. Most of their species give birth to babies, but there are some species that lay strange-looking eggs. Their eggs are very small in size, but their eggs are completely transparent. You can even see babies inside these eggs. Not only this, babies can also be seen moving inside the eggs. Its life is very strange, and even scientists do not know much about it. Number 3. Horn shark. Most of you know about sharks, but you will be surprised to know that sharks also lay eggs. But 70% of their species give birth and the remaining 30% lay eggs. The eggs of this shark are very unique. From the looks, it seems that something is moving round and round. These eggs are very strong from outside. This is so that babies can be protected from outside. After laying eggs, the sharks catch the eggs by their mouth and take them to a safe place. When they're laid, these eggs are very soft, but later they slowly start to get stronger. On seeing this, no one can guess that it is an egg because it looks like a seashell. Number 4. Yellowhead jawfish. All the fish in the world are taken care of by the females, but in the case of jawfish, it is completely different. Jawfish can grow up to 12 centimeters long. The male fish keeps the eggs inside its mouth. After laying eggs, the female fish migrates from there and the male fish takes the eggs into his mouth. It does not eat the eggs, but keeps them in the mouth until the baby comes out of them. Number 5. Octopus. The female octopus lays eggs only once in her entire life. The octopus goes under a marine shell or under a large rock before laying eggs. It then builds a house there and lays 80,000 eggs together. These eggs look like grapefruit, and each bunch contains 20 eggs. The female octopus lives near these eggs all the time. You'll be surprised to know that the female octopus takes care of the eggs without eating anything until the babies come out. Number 6. Bees. We see about thousands of bees every day, but all these give birth to just one queen bee. The same queen bee gives birth to all the bees in a hive. The queen bee does mating only once in life. Bees lay white eggs. Sitting in each cell, the queen bee lays an egg, and after 3 days, the growth of these eggs starts. The babies of bees grow very fast, and within 20 days, they are ready to fly. Number 7. Giant water bug. Giant water bugs are found in every part of the world. This water bug can be up to 15 centimeters long. This small monster bites people while swimming. These bites cause severe pain. They lay eggs and you can easily see their eggs on their back. The funny thing is that the female bugs lay eggs over the male bugs, and the male bug takes care of those eggs. These eggs remain on the back of a male bug for about 10 to 15 days. After the babies come out of these eggs, its back is completely cleaned. Number 8. Pacific white skate. You must have seen skatefish on TV or the internet. It's very unique among sea creatures, and their eggs are also very unique. Eggs of these fish are contained inside small bags. These organisms lay eggs in the depths of the ocean and in cold water. These bags are very strange to look at and have a small hole on top of them, with the help of which oxygen goes inside it. Skate eggs are found in the Pacific Ocean. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.